pull the oil cap off, twist it, and grab this cover and just pull it up. There's some grommets that hold it on. Disconnect this connector. Just push down on the tab, slide it out. Then this hose right here, just push these two little tabs together. As you push these together, you can slide the hose off. It's just clipped on, so you just push those. There's a 10mm bolt right here. Use a 10mm socket. And pull the old purge solenoid valve out. Take the new evap purge solenoid valve and just slide it in position. You might have to push this bolt back a little bit. Makes it a little easier. And just slide it in. Get the bolt started. And snug that up. And take the vacuum line, slide it on, and the connector. Slide the cover back in position, push it down, and put the oil cap on.